What's up everybody, it's Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you guys are doing extremely well. Well guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can edit your portrait like Marksingerman, who is a very famous Instagram photographer, and the photographs of him are really kind of saturated tones, and don't forget to follow him on Instagram. I personally very much inspired from him, and the color effect which he uses in his photographs are just too awesome guys. So guys, do follow him on Instagram. Before getting to the video, just press the like button on this video so that it will motivate me to make more videos and presets like this for you guys for free. And guys, if you still not subscribed yet, then do subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video. Also guys, visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com, and also visit our second website which we are recently launching, that is www.filterpresets.com. From there you can download premium LUTs, no bullshit stuff, just a quality preset which you care the most. On the website you can just download LUTs as well as mobile Lightroom preset, PC Lightroom preset, camera preset. So in that website I'll be posting most premium preset of all the internet which you are searching for. So all the kind of color effect would be included on that website. So guys, stay tuned on the website as well as on our website, that is ashvircreations.com. So guys, before getting to the video, just follow me on Instagram and just be creative and be awesome. So before any further, let's jump to the video. So here is our raw image which we are going to edit the photo or the portrait just like Marksingerman. First of all we're gonna do is we'll just duplicate the layer. So just right click on it and duplicate layer, or directly you can press Ctrl J from the keyboard. Now here we will first of all just create some kind of facial dodge and burn. So just create new layer. Just right click on it and select fill and just fill it to 50% gray. Now change the blending mode to overlay. Press Ctrl D from the keyboard to deselect it. Now let's select the dodge tool and make the exposure to around 11. And here we will just make the highlights on the face. You can increase some kind of highlights or the exposure from the image. Now let's select the burn tool and make the exposure to around 11%, and also just make some kind of burning over here. So this is how you have to make a dodge and burn tool. With the help of this you can just make your photograph to really look very much that impressive, and just enhance your photograph with like a trending tones. So here we have done the process of dodging and burning. Let's do it on the hand region also. Let's select the burn tool and just make some more shadows.
make more darker where the area is darker. So with the help of burn tool you can just create an awesome look. So here you can see the difference. Here was the before and here is the after. Now it is really looking very amazing. Now the next thing would be we are going to do is just merge all the layers. Right click on it and select merge layers. Now all you're gonna do is first go to the camera filter and let's just enhance the photograph. Go to the calibration tab and just move a little bit to kind of +9 or minus 19 or something, and just increase the saturation. Before doing this, don't do this. And first of all we're gonna do is just decrease some highlights or the contrast, add some contrast on the image, and increase the shadows, and let's just decrease the whiteness from the image and reduce the exposure. And add some kind of black tone on the image. Now you can see the difference. Now it is really looking very much impressive and just highlighting. Facial expression and the dodging burn process is really looking very creative. Now just hit OK, and again let's go to the filter, select the camera filter from there. Now go to the calibration tab and just move it to -90 or something like that. -25 would be pretty much perfect, and increase the saturation of this. Now all you have to do is just select green hue from here, and just here also increase the saturation. Also just select the red primary color. From there you can just make a kind of more saturated. Go to the hue HSL tab and let's select the orange color and just increase the luminescence of this. Also let's just increase the saturation of this green tone, also the aqua tone, and also the blue tone and purple tone, also the magenta tone. Now the next thing would be go to the blue tone of here and just make it more bluish. Go to the aqua tone and just make it more teal color. Increase the saturation. And now go to the split toning and select the highlights. From that highlights, so just select the kind of bluish color. First of all, we will select the highlights to kind of reddish tone or the yellowish color, and select the shadows. To a kind of blue tone, and here you can just increase the contrast and increase the highlights, increase some shadows, and here you can increase the whiteness a little bit, increase the blackness from the image. Now we will increase the clarity on the image and increase the vibrance, and just increase the saturation to +5 or something like that. Now go to the temperature and just make it more bluish, and here to green color to -1 or something like that. So you can see the difference. Here was the before and here is the after. It is really looking a very perfect, very saturated color effect, just like Marksingerman. So here you can select the curves and just create a kind of green tone on the image. Pump a little bit a greenish tone, and you can decrease some kind of red color if you want to decrease. Just a little bit would be pretty much perfect. Select the RGB and you can increase the highlights from here, and just move it, decrease a little bit from here, and now just hit OK. Now let's just create new layer and select the brush tool, increase the size of the brush and select the soft round brush, and just go select the color paint bucket, and you can select any of the color like saturated colors like orange, and just hit OK. Give one stroke of this. Press Ctrl U from the keyboard and just increase the lightness. Change the blending mode to screen and just hit over here, or let's just add it to color dodge and just fill it a little bit. And press Ctrl T from the keyboard and just place this light somewhere over here. Press Ctrl U from the keyboard and just make sure to get those crispy blue tone in the image. Now this one is really looking very much perfect. Now again let's just duplicate this image and just place it somewhere over here, and here you will just press Ctrl U and you can just change the color whatever you want. Let's select this color and just keep it somewhere over here. You can see the difference. Now again let's just create new layer and select the brush tool, and you can just select the orange tone, give one stroke of it, change the blending mode to screen this time, and press Ctrl T from the keyboard and you can just place it somewhere over here or here. Here would be pretty much perfect, I guess. And here you can just change it to overlay. This will actually lighten up your image. Again let's create new layer, select the brush tool and let's just select any of the color from here. Let's select the teal color, give one stroke of it and change the blending mode to soft light. Press Ctrl T from the keyboard and you can just place it somewhere over here. Press Ctrl T and place it somewhere over here, light. Now this one is really looking very cool. Now you can just merge all the layers if you want, or else you can still add some kind of bokeh. So if you want to add the bokeh, all you have to do is just create one small circle, create a new layer, fill it with the color you want. Let's select this color, kind of a yellowish tone. Now go to the filter, select the blur and select the Gaussian blur. And hit OK. Now again press Ctrl D from the keyboard and you can place this color light somewhere over here to give the perfect lighting. Now this one is really looking very cool. Now this one is really perfect example of Marksingerman inspired the color effect. Now let's crop the image once again. Now let's again go to the hue and saturation. From there you can increase the vibrance. This will actually bring back the details of the face and increase the saturation of the skin to +1 or +3 would be pretty much perfect. Don't oversaturate it. If you will oversaturate, then you can see that your photography is really looking very bad. So just make it to a kind of +3 or +2, something like that. Now just merge both the layers. Now select the selective color. From there you can select the neutral colors, and from there you can just increase the magenta tone and cyan color. Pump out some lightness from the image so you can see the difference. It is really giving your photograph a very violet look. And select the yellow tone so you can see the difference here when you turning this. Your photograph is really looking very amazing. Just turn a little bit off and select the black color. If you want whatever kind of blackness you want, you can just select it from here and hit OK. You can see the difference. Here was the before and here is the after. It is really looking very amazing. If you want to add some kind of more, then select the selective color, select the black, and on the black region whatever kind of color you want, you can just paint it by using this cool color correction. You can just change it to somewhere over here. If you want a moody dark, you can always select it from here. Now this one is really looking very amazing. Now just merge all the layers, and here you can see we have perfectly edited the photo just like Marksingerman, with highly saturated colors but with perfect color grading. It is not actually looking very oversaturated, but it is totally maintained the originalism of the photograph. So here you can see the difference. Here was the before and here is the after. So I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just press the like button and also subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is ashvircreations.com, and also visit my second website, that is filterpreset.com. So from there you can download new premium preset for your Lightroom, for your mobile Lightroom, for your camera preset, for your LUTs to color grade your videos as well as photos. Just a quality preset which you care the most. So guys, download it all the preset from there. So guys, thank you for watching. Till then, be awesome, be creative, and bye bye.